What's up, guys? We got the kill switch for the F-150 2025, 2026. You'll be able to kill the ignition, the starter from your cell phone anywhere in the world. And it also comes with GPS. I'm gonna go ahead and hit arm. Okay, truck won't start now. See? Okay, turn it off. Now if we hit this arm, now go ahead and crank it. Okay. It'll change.
So everything. So your battery life and everything.
Yeah. Turn it off. Anybody who's interested, give us a call. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video. And by the way, we have DIY kits. So anybody out of state, give us a call. And we'll guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814.